how to turn any object into Minecraft style in Blender. In this video, I'll show you how to convert any terrain or object into Minecraft style. This is perfect for Minecraft scenes, animation, voxel art, and even low poly environments. Let's get started. If you don't have a terrain, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and enable Anti-Landscape. And if you have a terrain, use that. Now press Shift A, Mesh, and add a landscape. Open the customization panel and choose any preset you like. You can also tweak the settings to create your own terrain. For this tutorial, I will use this preset. Now, the main part. Select your terrain, go to the modifiers tab and add a remesh modifier. The terrain may disappear at first. That's normal. Switch the mode to sharp. This creates a low poly version of your terrain. By adjusting the depth, you can control the amount of detail. Lower values give a stylized PS1 look, while higher values preserve more detail. Now, if you want a Minecraft style result, change the mode to blocks. Increase the depth to add more blocks and adjust the scale to control their size. As you can see, the terrain is now completely made of blocks and has a strong Minecraft-like appearance. If you use a simple green material, it instantly feels like a Minecraft grass biome. Switch to grey and it's looking like Minecraft stone biome. You can even add your own textures later for more authentic look. Here's a cool bonus tip. Press F3 and search for walk navigation. This lets you explore the scene in the first person mode. Use your mouse to look around and press G to walk through environments. Now let's try this on other objects. Here's a car model. For the best result, make sure your model is a single connected mesh rather than multiple separate objects. Add a remesh modifier again. Using sharp creates a low poly version while blocks convert into a voxel style Minecraft version. Increase the depth and you can see the car becoming a blocky Minecraft inspired model. Let's try one more example with this house. Add the same remesh modifier, switch to blocks and adjust the depth and scale. In just few seconds, the entire house is transformed into a Minecraft based structure. It's not exactly Minecraft, but it's captured the iconic voxel style and works great for stylized projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what Blender tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.